right?
Yes,
And
yeah.
yeah, and that's also considering they have 4 pages.
Yeah.
So some of those were fixing, 2 of them, right? So I need to see that. Okay. I guess 1 week will be lost in your theory. A whole week. Okay. You know, when we have lessons just once a week, it's so important. You know, if like school, you have classes every day, and maybe it's not a big kind of deal if you forget something. Here, it's a once a week, so the next chance it will be next Wednesday, and 1 week is a long time. Okay, well, it is what it is. All right. So we have exercises 28, 29. We have Ibacha to a wild rose. Um, to a wild rose, that's the only thing we played last week.
Yeah.
So let's start with exercises 28, 29 to see either. So 28 by memory and 29
was supposed to be one section a day. I was supposed to learn it, but I had an extra week. So I memorized
part of it.
I memorized about 2 sections. I was gonna memorize the whole thing, but and then I totally forgot I was supposed to memorize it because it was.
Well, I didn't write it down, right? So technically, but at least you tried to memorize part of it. Okay.
I memorized part of it.
All right. So let's start with 28. So here we have 2 tempos, 63 and 80.
I think we can go to 80.
Okay. Well, let's just jump into 80. It's not that fast.
Yeah. Not terribly bad. And no marching for nothing.
Oh, that's a good point, yes. There are too many items on the piano.
When that happens to my piano, I remove everything.
It's just it's a vibration. Yeah, so. Okay. Anyway, we're done with 28. It's pretty good. But you can experiment and try even faster if you want.
I did.
You did? Let's try. And that's pretty much the same. I mean, like da 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 da. Just experiment. So when we get to really fast tempo like this.
No more marching.
No more marching. You just let go. Let your fingers enjoy the life. Okay. Right. Like tickling. Exactly. Very good approach. Yes. Awesome, right? Yeah. So the thing is, we work on technique when we play very slowly, when we play medium tempo. When we play fast, we just let go. Yeah. And that's when you can truly play fast. Because if you're going to try to work on your muscles when playing fast, you're only going to put stress on your muscles. So that's not a good thing. Okay. So this was excellent. Okay. And it worked in really fast tempo. All right. So let me hear part of the whatever you memorized on 29, and we're going to go from there.
Okay.
place your fingers like this.
Okay.
I saw some flat fingers. Also here, it's better to use 2-4. That's what they suggest.
Oh, did I do like that?
3-5.
3-5. Yeah.
Right here. Let's put the music. Put this aside for now. Okay. So, can we again go back a little bit to the beginning? Just kind of we walk through the technique.
Okay.
So, same idea. Not we're not looking for nothing. We really apply this into the key.
Okay.
Next part, we're looking, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is the happy thing, I think.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be first finger.
This one's 1 interval up.
So that's the normal one. You know what? I don't think you're gonna practice much on this part. It's a huge difference. This part is already memorized. This part you can't even play with looking. Look how many mistakes. right? And you struggle so much on the notes, on fingering, pretty much every single rest. So this is just, to me, it sounds like you're playing this for the first time in your life. This part. Well, obviously you need to spend more time on this because it's this part has been neglected, but comparing to this one. Okay, so were you just spending all your time here on this one and barely practice on this one? What do you think the deal is? Why do you think you play this part so much better than this one?
Well, because I spent a lot of time trying to memorize it.
Okay, well, the thing is you have to first learn with looking equally all these parts, and that's why it says focus on one section a day. So then, and then this is, the thing is, I should have asked you to finish memorizing this, and I'm not sure if I can because there's so many mistakes. Well, I guess you'll be fixing mistakes while memorizing because, I don't want to wait.
Yeah, I think I'll wait.
You'll have to spend way more time on this part because it's just not learned well with looking. So this is number 29.
Yeah. Do you need another one?
Yeah.
That.
Okay.
30.
Let's see if we're gonna do this one or
32.
I'm gonna ask you to learn 30s.
Okay.
The thing is, more section 2, section 3, and I assume this is section 4. Okay, which key are we in?
We're in D major.
Yeah, good. And what do you think is the best way to count?
1 and 2 and?
Possibly, no? I mean, there are different ways. Okay, can you try to play first couple measures just right hand?
Okay. What does the triangle mean?
It's a very short staccato, like staccatissimo. Extremely short.
Okay.
One. So go ahead, figure it out. I want to see.
1. Could count 1 and.
You could. And maybe that's actually a better way for a start while we're learning it in slow tempo. Okay. Yeah. So maybe that's a good idea. Okay. 1 E and da 2 E and da 1. See that? And you have to jump so quickly. So while you're playing this chord, your eyes should be already on this one. See that? Yeah. And then same thing here. You'll be playing, and then here we have the same chord. Look at this. See? Okay. We have exactly the same chord, but we switch to fourth finger. So this way we're preparing for the next chord. While we're playing this one, we're switching to this fourth, and so we could prepare for this one because this jump is very quick, even in a slow tempo. Okay? So that's why you need to practice on each hand individually, right hand mostly. So then you get really familiar with this. 1, 1, E, and da, 2, E, and da, 1, E, and da, 2, E, and no, 2, E, and da, 1, E, and da, 2, E, and da, 1.
Oh, that's.
No.
Wait, but. Oh, you move up. Oops.
1, 1, E, and da, 2, E, and da, 1. So always prepare ahead. Okay. Well, first of all, you need to learn each section individually really well, so then you can navigate with ease. Then you go through each section until it's just really well learned, and then you can start combining things together. Not necessarily hands together, combining sections. Okay. So, but yeah, I think that counting 1 and 2 and works for you really well.
Yeah.
Okay. With correct fingering, there's a pattern, and I want to see if next time you can tell me what is that pattern. So, first separate hand. Then together. Small sections, obviously, right? Okay. All right, so let me hear. Vivace? Or you want to play Wild Rose if you have some questions? Because it's a...
We can go Vivace. We haven't. I feel like we haven't done that one. I don't know.
We played it 2 weeks ago. So 126, 168. So we're gonna just go straight to 168. How about that? $168, right?
Yeah.
Good attention to details, like very musically clear difference between melody and accompaniment. Good job. So we'll probably start in something new.
Okay. I think that's the end of that sonatina. You finished off too.
Yeah. That's great. So yeah, I think we're gonna be adding another sonatina. Okay.
Yeah.
The harder one.
Okay. I think the harder one's in the back.
No, we'll see. Yeah, so maybe. Well, this one is significantly harder. I'm not sure if we should be jumping to something like this.
The sound of that makes it sound very hard.
You can't reach an octave, right?
Nope.
Because I think that on this, maybe not.
I'm not very close to reaching.
That's interesting. I'm looking at this music and I've never given this to my students here, this one. But I remember playing it myself when I was about 7. It's like, oh, I remember this one. Actually, this one is pretty good. This one doesn't have octaves, so I confused this with something else. I like this sonatina by Develli. This one is also very nice, but harder. Maybe after that. So we're going to be playing some sonatinas. This is the one I thought. This one, yeah, this one has octaves.
Pressed.
Okay. Okay, so let's do the Develli one.
Do you need a mark any?
I will mark down the sections probably.
Because if you need a mark, if you're not going to play this one, you can just play it.
Okay. So, well, you can remember page 38.
Okay.
It's not very long. It's only 2 pages.
Okay.
So, we have interesting rhythm here. Because we have triplets here, and then here after that we have the 16th note. We're not going to play both notes together right away, but just so you know. See what I'm playing this after. So it comes right after this.
Oh,
It's something totally different. Okay.
wow.
It's lovely. It's really nice. So I'm going to mark down sections. Four measures.
Oh, really? Okay, it looks really good.
And then here's section 5.
That looks like a section. Yeah, I'm probably gonna mark this finger in there.
Just so it'd be easier. And then we're gonna not play this. So this is beginning of 7. And we're gonna make this a separate section.
Okay.
So it kind of balances. Okay, let's try just a little bit of left hand, believe it or not.
Okay. It's in G. So I would count 1,
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how we're gonna count it. 2, Okay, so what I also suggest the way to practice on it would be combining this as chords. So including 4, right? So and then you've noticed that here we travel to treble clef.
Yeah. And A chord.
Yes. So right hand. We're still going to be counting just 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. shall we do? It's not staccato, but we are not connecting same notes anyway. So up, up, U shape, up, 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 U shape, up, 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 down and up, rather than connecting. See, we have this pattern. So basically, that's what we have here. So I'm going to mark that down. Up, up, U shape. Up, up, U shape. Up, up, down, then up. Well, U shape. Swing, swing. Yeah. And it's exactly the same structure over there. So that's what you can do. Okay. So Sonatina, you just need to play first 4 sections.
Okay. Opus 151,
Separate hands.
number 1 in G major.
So stage 38.
Yeah. Just the Facts is really easy. It's
Easy.
really helpful.
Yeah.
Because now I know all my
Majors, exactly. And there's so much more you will be learning from it. So 1 through 4, separate hands.
And it taught me fat cats go walking down alleys. No, go.
So make sure you count. Make sure you pay attention to fingering. You might need to mark down fingering. Okay. So and then don't forget you have to Wild Rose. We will definitely play it next time.
Okay.
So.
We have about like 10 minutes.
Yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do. So next time, remind me to start with this one. Okay, we'll spend more time on this one.
Yeah.
So, but right now, let me check it. I think that you can cover most of stuff here on your own, right?
Yeah. Probably.
Right. So let's go to Wild Rose. That's okay with you? You'll need to cover quite a bit on your own here. Right?
Yeah.
I kind of explained this to you a little bit.
I don't have school next week, so
that's awesome. Right. No school. So. This one has both hands together, and you were supposed to fix mistakes and connecting to because I think that to Wild Rose is harder than Sonatina, so that's why I want to check and see how you're doing on it. But next week we might start with it. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Quite
there
easy.
was some.
Yeah. So and then it's harder, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do that.